tueleze kinagaubaga because no nituragwo ni maundu mangi tuteithia ni kuhura siasa niguo koguo ni twitikira ciana ciarwa cukuru
We want to eradicate cervical cancer in this country. And the one thing that we are emphasizing on is the vaccination of young girls who are below 14 years and screening of young women between the age of 25 and 49, and equally the treatment of any cancer patient, cervical cancer patient in this country. And our target is to ensure we have 90% vaccination.
Our women must go and be screened, be treated. More importantly, the government has also taken that initiative of early intervention in terms of vaccination of the young girls. Is it 14 years?
Yeah,
14 years and below. 10 to 14 years and below. So I want to really emphasize and encourage our parents